FIG stock analysis and FIG stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space with a 46,000 videos track record in 5 years. I have proof of experience of everything, right? All 5 years. It's all documented on my YouTube channel. Everything. And with Figma, it's been just melting, man. And I'm very happy with my 2 trades that I've taken at that point. Break even and a +3 R win. Here's the proof.
Why still a sell though? Why not?
$76. And here are the lows. Here's my supply zone. And only if I do see this shift, I will look to take things down. Me randomly selling is just simply not going to be happening. So that's Figma. All I'm doing in the meantime, waiting for rules. And if you do want to stay tuned, want to get free sauce, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.